This is the easiest way to select your daily bias every single day. It's something I do myself every single morning. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the daily chart on any asset class you're trading. What we're looking to see is how these daily candles close. So for example, let's take this series of candles right here. This is a Wednesday, and let's say we're trying to trade the Thursday. How do we select daily bias going into Thursday? So let's take a look at what we have on the chart here. So we have this clear high right here, and then we have this clear low that is right here. We can clearly see that after this Friday candle closed, the following daily candle went and closed above the previous day's range. This is bullish for the following day, except on Wednesday, instead of pushing higher, we actually push lower and close under the previous day's candle. So now this is very, very bearish. We want to wait for the next daily candle to open, and we want to be short above the daily open of that candle. Why? Because this was a clear high that was going to be the drawn liquidity here. It failed. We are now surely heading for these lows. So the way you confirm that is you wait for this next daily candle to close. If it closes below the previous candle's range, it is now bearish until a candle closes above. And you can clearly see this candle goes and takes out the low that we had right here, but what it does is it closes inside the previous candle's range. So all you're really doing here is you're using the previous candle's close to determine the bias for the following day.